What's up everybody, it's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2011 Harley Davidson. It's a Sportster, the 883 iron, and we're gonna take a quick walk around this thing so you can see what's going on with it up close and personal. There are some minor imperfections with this bike that I do want to point out, but overall I think it's a pretty nice motorcycle. So in the back here you got the rear tire. Rear tire's got plenty of life left on it, a lot of miles there. Good to go for any kind of inspection or anything like that. There's your license plate holder, your turn signals, your brake lights there, and your belt. It is belt driven, so there you go. Here in the rear fender, we have a little like dent and scratch here. See the dent? They have two dents here on either side, and then like the little like deformation of like the fender right there. So I'll point that out. There is a little bit of paint missing and just a little bit of rust. Coming around the side. This side's pretty good, but up here on top by the screw, I'm not sure what this stuff is, but it is there, so just see that. And then here on the side of the turn signal, you see there's a slight little chip there. So that's that. There's your rear suspension. There you can see the black and the aluminum rear wheel. And then there's the belt. Around the side here, you got the one like little bag here on the side. I'm not even gonna worry about opening that up. So that's that. You can see how big it is. Then you got the oil reservoir, dipstick there. Just a little mark right there underneath the seat, and a little discoloration there. You can kind of see it popping out. Keep coming around the side, up to the tank. Get the Harley there in the tank. Tank's looking to be in decent shape. One little like smudge right there. Other than that, tank looks like it's in pretty good shape. See if I can get in here close on the motor. There's all that. Got the figure machine. Got the clear air box there, kind of like that look. Got the exhaust coming out, coming straight down. Got like the ground pounders going on. Got your rider peg, rear brake. It is a solo seat, so obviously there's no rear pegs. Spin it around. Got the apes up here. It has the mirrors flipped down on the bottom. Gives it kind of a cleaner look up top. Got the cage going on there, the headlight. Got your front turn signals there and there. And coming down the fork tubes, they're looking to be in pretty nice shape. Got some stuff going on here in the lower fork tube. I'm not really sure what that is, but you can see it there. To the other side, that is that. Here's your front tire. Tire's in good shape, very similar to the back tire. There you can see the front wheel there. Got that like aluminum and black. It's a nice offset. Here on the top, on the front fender, I wanted to point out there's a crack right here. You can kind of see it. So that is that. I just wanted to point that out. Make sure you saw that. If you're interested in this bike, that is something to note. There's your front wheel from that side. There are your front brakes. I'm gonna jump up here and look at the tank on this side. Got one chip here in the tank right there. Not even a chip, just like a little mark in the clear coat. Not really sure what would have caused that. And you got this little like yellow dot there, yellow dot there. It's a little hard to see, but it is there. I want to make sure you know it. There you got your Harley Davidson on the tank. Jump in here and look at the motor. You can see all that up close. Down here you got your rider peg, got the shifter, got the kickstand there, got your side cover. Got some light marks on the side cover. Actually, some of this is a little residue. There's a sticker on here that I think a barely adhesed sticker. So there's light marks in there, and there. There's your swing arm coming back to the rear suspension and the rear wheel. We already saw the top of the fender. Come up here with the seat. Seat's in good shape. All the stitching is good. You do have some marks here, like kind of like the belt buckle marks right there in the lower part of the tank. There's your fuel cap. You did change out the grips. I do kind of like these grips. You get your front brake there, clutch. You got your mirrors underneath. The ignition down here, let's turn it on. Got 13,519 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure that you check out the test drive. It should be up on YouTube. I'll fire this thing up. There is that. You can hear it run. Make sure these turn signals work. There's your front signal there. And front signal on that side. Go back here to the rear. There's that one. We're going to check the other one. I know there's not a bulb in there though, but I'm going to... So that one needs a bulb. That will be getting taken care of. I just did not get it done before I did this video. Yeah, so that's that. If you are interested in this bike, make sure you check it out on the website. Check out the test drive on YouTube. And like I said, this is a 2011 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 Iron. Thanks so much for watching, guys.